Hey guys, hi everyone. My name's Eli. I'm the current chair of IEEE. I have with me Pamela Corey, the vice chair of IEEE. So we're going to be telling you all about us. Let me just share my screen real quick. So share computer sound. Here we go. So the main question whenever you're doing a presentation, can you all see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Pam?
Yeah, sorry, I was muted this whole time.
All right.
Okay. So hi, we're IEEE Concordia, and we are your one-stop shop for all your electronic needs. These are all our social media that you can find us on, and our Discord, which you can join. We're going to be hosting game nights there soon.
Pretty much. I'm just going to leave it for like 15 seconds if you want to open it with your phone,
Yeah.
take a picture, or just actually join up. So
while you do, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what IEEE Concordia is. IEEE is actually short for Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and we are part of a larger global organization, so IEEE Global. And in order to be part of the IEEE Global, you do have to pay a monthly membership, and you would get a lot of perks like magazines and stuff like that. But to actually be part of IEEE Concordia, it doesn't cost anything, and we do offer a lot of events, competitions, and a lot of things like that we're going to be talking about in this presentation, basically.
So a bit more about IEEE. So what IEEE does, they actually work with everything that's electronics and electrical. So all your computers, there's like everything is just in some extent linked to IEEE. For example, there's networking protocols that are most widely known. Those are all IEEE. IEEE is actually working a lot in AI and machine learning and big data. It's literally just almost anywhere and everywhere. So we're just going to show you here how to get to our lab under normal conditions. It is sadly closed because of coronavirus, but here's how you would normally find it.
This is from the H building in Bishop.
Right. So this is how you could actually come to the lab under normal conditions. Should it open up in winter, we'll be notifying everyone. So, Pam.
Yes, this is the inside of our lab. We have literally anything that you could think of to complete any kind of electronics or other project. We have power tools, we have 3D printers, we have every kind of sensor that you would love to use. We have soldering irons, computers, and any kind of labs that usually the school would basically do for electrical, you can also reproduce in our own labs, let's say if you weren't able to make it in class or something like that. We also, a lot of us are in electrical, a lot of us are also in computer and software in my case. And so if you do need any help with your coursework, you could come into our labs and ask us. This now is moved to the more virtual platform, which is now Discord. So if you do need help with your coursework or you have any questions maybe we could help with, don't hesitate to ask. One of the things that we do is actually competitions, and the closest one right now is in October, and it's IEEE Extreme. It's actually an international programming competition, so everyone does it in their own countries. We host one in Montreal, and it is usually done with plenty of other universities. So this was the one that was done, I think, in 2018. Yeah, this was 2018. And there was half of it was Concordia students and there was McGill students, and we were at Polytechnic. It was super fun. And basically by the end of the 24 hours, you can see how much you ranked against other people in the whole world, basically. Another competition, which is in March, is RoboWars. And this is one big competition that I'm gonna talk a little bit about later also. So all it is really is you gotta build a robot from scratch, 3 kilos, 20 by 20 centimeters, and you bring it into a ring, and your goal is to push out other opponents' robots autonomously. So you're not allowed to actually control it. So what this does is that it brings a lot of different disciplines. So you're gonna have to program, you're gonna have to learn some software, you're gonna have to do some soldering, some electrical, and some mechanical. And so it's a really multidisciplinary project, and it's super interesting. You guys should definitely check it out. There's actually a video of some of our previous years, what it looks like. Eli, you could show it.
Yep. All right, so this is basically a small clip of some fights in RoboWars. Now, as of last year, we were actually looking at expanding RoboWars, and we succeeded in doing that. Now, RoboWars is an official international sumo bot competition. So we're doing this actually by partnering with the All Japan Robot Sumo Tournament, which is the largest Wild World competition with over 50 participating countries. And you can actually join in this. So the way it works is, since RoboWars is an official tournament, if you win, you get an invitation to participate in the All Japan Robot Sumo Tournament. We normally have a team at IEEE that joins, and you could, well, either join our team or just create your own team. We offer help to all students, whether you need advising, parts, ideas, we're just here to help. So you could actually be going to Japan, who knows? Now, another competition we host is WarHacks. So WarHacks is actually more targeted at CJEP students and first-year students, so all of you Froshies. Now, what it is you kind of learn how to make a robot, and you do it all with your team. So you're just building it. It's a competition where at the end of it, the robot should autonomously move and avoid some obstacles around its track. And now, all of our competitions have prizes linked to them. IEEE Extreme is worldwide, so your prize might be a bit delayed because of the bigger IEEE organization handing out the prizes, whereas the other ones are just handed out right there on the spot.